Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, welcome back my YouTube channel Rimsha Decoration. I hope all my viewers are fine and enjoy the day of life. If you know about my YouTube channel or all like video, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. And please make sure press the bell icon. So you told any other amazing video like this one, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. So guys, please watch this video to end. And then don't miss any other amazing video designs and decorations. So guys, I am back a beautiful idea about the designs of birthday cake decorations in different styles, different color combination and different sizes. Here are some amazing, delicious and eye-catching cake decorating ideas that suit both homeland and professional parties. If you new my YouTube channel, then don't miss any other amazing video like this one. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. I hope you enjoy my video. Most beautiful, most amazing and most creative designs. Please make sure press the bell icon. Please like, share, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel. How to decorate your cake with a beautiful layer. I provide you simple ideas for your cake that is most essential, that is most creative. I hope you enjoy my video. The creativity are mentioned on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much everyone for watching my cake designs. If you are interested in these types of design, in these types of video, then please guys watch this video to end, and then please guys like, share, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel. And I hope you enjoy my cake designs. And I hope you love the cake creativity. I hope you love the cake designs. Thank you so much guys for watching my cake designs. And I hope these designs and this creativity are fantastic. And I hope this video is very authentic and creative for your beautiful video and beautiful ideas. If you are interested in these types of design, in these types of video, then please share, like, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel. Cake decoration ideas can evaluate any celebrations. Cake decoration ideas transfer space into bright celebrations. All the designs are very unique and trending. If you like more ideas, specific decorating tips, please visit my channel. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. These decorations bring the excitement of birthday person's life and make the party unforgettable. If you have any question about my YouTube channel, then please ask me in comment box. These decorations bring the excitement of birthday person's life and make the party unforgettable. These designs are very unique. If you like any designs and if you new my YouTube channel, then please visit my channel. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Please make sure press the bell icon. You can use each theme perfect for birthday celebrations, baby showers, bridal showers, groom shower, anniversary, party functions, any other celebrations. Consider these theme decor matching the occasions. I hope you like this design with themed and color combinations. Whether simple or beautiful cake showcase love and celebrations. I am sure cake decoration ideas from this video. All over modern way to celebrate your birthday celebrations. All the designs are very unique. These cake designs look so attractive, so stylish, so amazing. If you like any designs, and take a screenshot of it, and also do try my amazing cake recipe. They are so easy to make and absolutely delicious. If you want to see more make party decoration ideas, cake decoration ideas or any other celebration ideas, then please visit my channel. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much everyone. See you tomorrow with a new video. Until take care of yourself and people around you. Allah Hafiz.